Thank you for choosing Architectural Mall. We're proud to provide premium architectural products and are committed to supporting you every step of the way. This is a step-by-step guide to help you install fiberglass cornice. Unload and unpack your order. Make sure all the parts and pieces are there. Make sure everything is stored on a solid, flat surface. Make sure all framing for the cornice is done ahead of time, using submittals, shop drawings, or actual pieces to ensure a proper fit. Additional blocking may be required during the installation process. Lift cornice in place. Dry fit cornice to ensure proper fit. For cornice that has a top or bottom return, pre-drill pilot holes and countersink at ground level every 16 inches on center. For cornice that does not have these returns, all drilling will be done on framing during installation. Clear any obstacles from the framing before installation. Hang cornice on framing. A mallet can be used to gently tap pieces into tight fits. Depending on material used for framing, you will need to drill holes into substrate. Follow previously drilled holes to ensure proper hole alignment. If no holes were pre-drilled, drill through cornice and substrate in place. Using the proper screws, attach a cornice to framing or substrate. Make sure the screw head is slightly below the surface of the cornice. Apply silicone caulking to the exposed lap flange. Place the next cornice over the lap flange and repeat above steps as necessary. Make sure each cornice piece is level with the previous. You may need to shave some of the cornice at lap flange to ensure proper fit or add additional blocking as needed. If you need to cut cornice pieces to fit, use a diamond blade grinder or rotary saw to cut to length needed. If installing loose corbels, make sure to use treated lumber as blocking. Install the corbels or accents. Once cornice is installed, for pre-finished, use the color-matching patch material provided to fill the screw holes. This may have to be done twice as material shrinks. Once filled, use 500 grit sandpaper to lightly sand flush. If cornice is not pre-painted, use Bondo to fill holes. Prime areas that have Bondo prior to painting. Caulk all seam joints using color-match caulk. If cornice is to be painted, use acetone or recommended surface prep for paint. Touch up any areas that may have been scratched during installation using the provided paint. That concludes our step-by-step guide on how to install fiberglass cornice. We appreciate your trust in our products and are proud to be part of your project. If you have any questions or need further assistance, our team is always here to help. There are more videos on stair installations, railing to column installations, as well as other products. Again, thank you for considering our products for your project.